That's a dragon boat race.
Wow.
There, and it takes years of practice. I have sat on a dragon boat previously during my college times as part of an interest group, but this was my first experience watching a race. And what I was so happy to see is the categories itself. They had categories for all age groups and strengths. Apart from the category for regular able bodied people for adult age, I believe they also have a category for children. One category was for senior citizens, a category exclusively for senior citizens, and another one was for uh, people with disabilities, visual impairments, other forms of disabilities. So impressive to see such categories where they are making the sport so inclusive. And there was also one adaptive category, which I believe is for people with autism and other forms of disabilities. So it is such an inclusive sport, and I just love being here and looking around, and the water itself makes you feel so peaceful. And to watch a race is a privilege.